What's going on, man? It's your boy, man, and this is my journey to 750 or 750 plus credit score. Trying to accomplish this in a little less than 6 months, 180 days. Starting in the, fives, and we already succeeded to going to the, moving into the sixes. So we still got about 100 and so, 120, 130 points to go. So, second round, man, they going out. Just want to show y'all they getting ready to go out. I got a nice little stack. I'm actually fit to walk over to the post office. It's right here by my office. I'm fit to go send these out, and a couple different scenarios. I did the first batch. This is the second batch. The first batch accomplished a pretty good feat. It wiped out. I want to say 7 or 8 items off of my TransUnion report. It totally cleared my Experian report. I'm sorry, my Equifax. My Equifax file is totally wiped out, man. I don't have anything on my Equifax. Now, I don't know what, how, or what. I'm not going to even question it. It happened. And I'll go back and I'll show you a post of, I'll go back and give you the start when I first pulled it. I did the yearly annual credit report, and I also subscribed to the different bureaus website. So I'll definitely be showing y'all from start to finish how this whole journey went. Just started this, actually. September was my first month actually submitting a letter, so we're only a little over a month in, and uh, and probably right at a month from the time the credit bureaus received, and that's from tracking it through certified mail from the time they received it. I've seen improvements since then. I want to say my TransUnion went up probably 60 points. I would say, give or take some, and so yeah, man, this is my journey. This is the second batch. First batch went out was just a verification. Uh, uh, dispute, normal dispute, just to see, hey, you need to verify these accounts. Following up with a round two, boom, even though I got majority of everything wiped off of my TransUnion, I still had a couple items left. I'm hitting it with a second round, boom, right in their face, we're gonna try to get that whole file clean, man. Just the same way, maybe with that happened with Equifax. Experian is definitely the Experian has been the hardest one out of all of them, and I'm actually seeing that with the other people that I'm helping do this to. So I'm hitting Experian super tough. Boom! I got the second round letter going out, the validation letter, switching it up, letting them know like, hey, you continue to do this, I'm gonna be forced to, you know, you know, pull out pull out all the tactics, you need to verify this, you need to, so now you need to validate. You said it verify who, how, what, when, why, like who validated? Show me, show me, show me. So uh, hitting them with that, and I'm also and I've seen a couple different methods, man. And so this is where your own journey is important, whether you're looking to build a business from it or if you're just looking to do it on your own. People have different methods. Most people not just giving you the full, you know, ins and outs. But I've seen it where maybe I should have done this during my first batch. It probably would have expedited the situation that I'm having with Experian. Because Experian, man, they not trying to hurt. And the thing about it is the same files that was on my TransUnion and Equifax that was removed, Experian came back and verified them. So there's a couple different methods you can do. You can go about disputing those. I'm testing the first one, and we're going to see how it goes. If not, then I'm going to backdoor them with another. Hopefully, I can get this done here before the end of November. Going into December, I want to have my files clean before I start building putting the positive trade lines back into my file. It's a couple different methods I'm using. It's working. So hey, y'all trying to get your credit right, man. I'm gonna be rolling it out. Just understand, just like anything I do, it's a fee behind it. I like giving knowledge. I like educating the people, and even in my real estate business, I put out videos. My line is always open to anybody that's looking to who have questions, who are inquiring about getting started. I've always gave the game away for free. When most people charge, I could have been uncharged. I've trained many people here locally in my area to get money from real estate investing. I've done every method out there. I'm not an Airbnb, but when it comes to flipping houses, wholesaling, all that, rehabbing, I've done it all. I've purchased them from the courthouse, from a tax deed. I've signed the documents. I went to I've done it all. Track record strong. So I've always given that game away free. Same thing with this. But if there comes a time where like, hey, the value is there. So best believe, coming soon, you will be able to uh, to pay for this service. I will be providing this service, and if you don't soak up the game now, you'll be paying for it in the future. Nevertheless, man, y'all stay tuned. This is my journey to 750 plus. Should have been there, but hey, it's no time like today. So let's get started, man. Y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, positive, love-flowing day. And I'm on my way to the post office, second batch. Going out. I'm hitting them.